In this video, you will learn how to generate affiliate links inside your Impact Radius account. To do that, go to Brands and click on My Brands. Now this page will show you all the brands that you are already approved of. So for this example, we are creating a link for InVideo.io. So click on Create Link. And now on the left column, this window will appear. And here in this field, you can paste in a specific landing page, which you can create a link for. So let's go over to InVideo.io. Now what's great about this tool is that you can browse through the website and find a specific page where you can generate a link for. For example, if you want to send traffic to a content page that's talking about animation, well then you can create a link for this page. If you are creating a bottom of the funnel content, you can simply create a page for the pricing page. So for this example, we're going to just create a bottom of the funnel affiliate link for InVideo.io's pricing page. So go over on top and click on the URL. We're going to copy it and then head back over to Impact. And here we can paste in the URL and click on Advanced. Here you can tag the URL so you can track exactly where the sale is coming from. So for this example, we're going to just tag it as test as our tracking code. And now hit create. Now your affiliate link is generated. All you gotta do is click on the link to copy it to the clipboard. And now you can paste it wherever it belongs. And this is exactly how you can create affiliate links inside your Impact Radius account. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to cloak this URL to make it more brandable, to increase your click-through rate to make more money. And I'm going to recommend you some tools that you can use.